guys, aga namin naghatid ng apo namin guys. Naghatid namin sa school guys kasi meron silang presentation ngayon. Kasama kasi siya guys sa Balik Tanaw dance group. Yan, kaya hinatid namin. Ganito yung dinadaanan going to school guys. Medyo hindi masyadong maliwanag ang mga ilaw dito, but it's safe. Thank you Lord. Malapit na tayo sa school guys. Panginoon, ingatan mo po ang apo ko Lord while she was performing, oh God, and the rest of the group. Keep them safe, oh Lord, while they were performing their dance, their exhibition. Thank you so much, Lord. Here we are, guys. Ako, dandahan. Guys, so he was very active, guys. Sali talaga siya sa dance group ng school nila.
Ayo, ang Salinas.
Guys, pwedeng natid lang namin guys. Anong ka-active ang apo ko guys. Good Lord, keep my granddaughter safe, oh God. Kasi ang hirap ng sayaw nila guys. Hindi talaga kasi sumayaw guys. Thank you so much for watching my video guys. Please subscribe guys. Kasi monetize na ako sa subscription. That's all.